In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 11. Before we begin, a quick note on what this feature does. Microsoft Defender Firewall monitors incoming and outgoing connections and blocks suspicious traffic. It's a key layer of protection, so only turn it off temporarily for troubleshooting and remember to turn it back on when you're done. Start by opening the Start menu and typing Windows Security. Select the Windows Security app from the results. This is the built-in security hub for Windows 11 and the safest place to manage your firewall. Once the app opens, look for the tile labeled Firewall and Network Protection and click it. You'll see 3 network profiles here: Domain, Private, and Public. One of them will be marked as active. That label tells you which network you're currently using, and changes you make to that profile will take effect right away on your connection. Click the profile you want to adjust. On the profile page, find the switch labeled Microsoft Defender Firewall. To enable the firewall, make sure the switch is turned on. To disable it, toggle the switch off. When you turn it off, Windows will warn you that your device may be vulnerable. That's expected. You might also see a user account control prompt asking for permission. Approve it to continue. If you don't have administrative rights on this device, the option may be grayed out, and you'll need an admin to make the change. On work or school computers, these settings can also be managed by your organization and may not be editable. If you need to change more than one profile, for example, both private and public, go back to the Firewall and Network Protection page and repeat the same toggle for each profile you use. Keep in mind that the firewall state is per profile, so turning it off on one doesn't automatically turn it off on the others. When you've finished troubleshooting or testing, return to the same profile and toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall back on. You'll know it's enabled when the page shows that protection is on, and the main Firewall and Network Protection screen displays Microsoft Defender Firewall is on under the profile names. If a third-party security suite is installed, it may take over firewall control. In that case, the Microsoft Defender Firewall switches might be unavailable, and you'll manage settings in that security app instead. That's it. Remember, keep the firewall enabled for everyday use. Only switch it off briefly when necessary, and always turn it back on to stay protected.